Is that what happens at dance clubs? I never really went to many. So
I went to one, and that was everywhere.
Yeah, standing 69 everywhere.
Yeah. It was like Cirque du Soleil in there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you have less experienced standing 69ers falling down around you, and you have the people who are really good at it. They need some time to do their thing, and then you have the bumbling idiots around them falling down and just ruining it.
All the professionals out there are scoffing at the element that's coming out three times a year.
Like they dare enter their realm, when they're putting on their show.
Yeah, you see some amateur get in that position and change and cough drops are falling out. Keys.
A gun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, come on.
Exactly.
It's our first time. I remember my first standing 69.
Yeah.
Chris is still laughing.